Max is a dog.
Max is a dog. He lives with Lucas. He sleeps in his room. Max wakes up first. He yawns and stretches. He is ready to start the day. Max gets on the bed. Lucas wakes up and smiles. "Good morning, Max," he says. Max runs to the door and barks, "Woof, woof." He wants to go outside. His tail moves with excitement. Lucas opens the door. Max runs to the garden. He loves to play outside. Today is a sunny day. Max smells the flowers. He finds a blue ball and plays with it. Lucas goes outside too. He throws the ball. Max runs to get it. Lucas laughs. Max loves to play with Lucas. It is a happy morning for Max.